Hey guys, Dr. Marra here at the spillway, the lake. A little bit breezy, so hopefully you guys can hear me all right. Just wanted to come on, show you a little bit of nature here, and this evening I'll be interviewing Mike and Cindy off of Evolutionary Energy Arts on Universal Talking YouTube, and we'll be going live, so hopefully we can enable the chat, which it seems like a lot of people enjoy. So yeah, that should be around 6 p.m. but again, it's on Universal Talking. Sending you guys love, light, and laughter.